10 things that you didn't know about Spain. Spain has 17 autonomous regions, each with its own culture, language, and history. Spanish is the second most widely spoken language in the world, after Mandarin Chinese. Spain is the world's largest producer of olive oil, accounting for around 44% of global production. The running of the bulls in Pamplona, Spain, is a traditional festival where participants run through the streets pursued by bulls. Spain was one of the world's leading colonial powers and has a global footprint, with former colonies in the Americas, Africa, and Asia. Spain has the third largest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Alhambra, Park Güell, and Sagrada Familia. Spain is home to the oldest restaurant in the world, Didn, established in 1725 in Madrid. Spain is the birthplace of famous artists such as Pablo Picasso, Salvador Dali, and Joan Miró. Spain has a long history of bullfighting, which is both a sport and a cultural tradition. Spain is the fourth largest wine-producing country in the world, known for its sherry, Rioja, and cava.